Okay, this is it. This is a farm, a goat farm. A goat farm lying there inside here. So this is not Ikwen. Well, we came in through Idogbo. You know, say Ikwen, if you can through Agbor the Ikwen from bypass. That bypass here to this place not far. But we came in through Idogbo, so I calculated from Idogbo, from that Idogbo from bypass bridge there. Idogbo bypass bridge there, can't reach it to cost 10 minutes. 10 minutes from Idogbo bridge. Which is this place 10 minutes. So this is it. So take note, you say the goat not joining, but you want to sell them. So if you get interest on the goat, let me tell you how much they sell each of them. And also there's a building inside already, which is a bungalow. A bungalow of 4-bedroom masters. 4-bedroom masters. There's a well, but there's no borehole here, no borehole, and just well night there. And at the same time, you can attach a self-contained journal for back. Bungalow and self-contained 9-day structure one day here. Bungalow and self-contained 75 by 85. 75 by 85. So because the length not reach 100, they can't compensate them. They can't compensate them with the breadth. And they can't compensate them with the breadth. So now why it can be 75 by 85. Okay, the roof of this goat house, you see, not still journal, go do and journal now. We will remove it. I don't know where the carry and go, but you know, so now we'll get something. Now you will decide. Yeah, but if you want it, then if it say okay, no while and I will bargain that one. So it's just like you are buying the land structure inside. So that is what you are buying.